Hi friends, in this video we are going to see one example to convert a given rational number into a decimal form, but that decimal form will be of a terminating type decimal form. In the last video we have seen how to convert a given rational number into a decimal form. So terminating type decimal form means while performing the division to convert a given rational number into a decimal form, after certain iterations that division will come to an end, it will halt. So such type of method or such type of decimal form is called as terminating type decimal form. Means the division which is going to stop and we are going to obtain the answer after certain fixed number of iterations. So let's start solving the example so that you will understand this concept pretty easily. So the first example we are going to solve here will take 13 upon 5. 13 upon 5. This example we are going to solve now. Now, while performing this, again we are going to perform the division as we have seen in the last video itself. So 13 divided by 5. Now in this particular case, 5 2s are 10. 13 minus 10 answer is 2. We are going to give a point over here and we'll take 0, and 5 4s are 20. Here our remainder is 0. So this is the decimal form of this particular rational number, and in this two iterations only we have obtained our decimal form. So this is a terminating type decimal form because the division has come to halt here. We are not solving this till the end of our page or some further pages. Whenever this division comes to an halt, means when the remainder is 0, then we get the answer is of terminating type decimal form. One more example we are going to see now. 29 upon 16. This example we are going to solve now. Again I am arranging these numbers in division form. 16 ones are 16. Now if we subtract 16 from 29, our answer will come out to be 13. We are going to one decimal point over here, then we will take 0 from this particular end. Now we need to perform further division also. So in this case, now in case of table of 16, we have to obtain such a number which is equal to 130 or less than 130. For that, table should be memorized very properly. In case of this, if you do not remember any kind of table, you can randomly perform the multiplication and you can come to the answer which is close to 130. 16 2s are 32, 16 4s are is 64. So approximately we will take 16 into 8. The answer is 128. So 16 8s are 128. Again we have taken 10. 16 ones are 16. Now 16 5s are 80. See, we have obtained the remainder as 0 in this particular case. So this is of a terminating type decimal form. The answer of 29 upon 16 is 1.8125. I hope you have understood this concept very well. Thank you.